Hi, this is Garvith and welcome to my series, Know Thy Nuts, over my channel Right Gnosis. Nuts are a healthy plant food because they are high in healthy fats, protein and fiber, yet they're often the source of nutrients for those wanting to manage their weight. In this series we talk about various nuts, their benefits and myths. Let's start the video with cashew, an amazing keto-friendly snack. Cashew tree is a tropical evergreen tree, which grows up to exceptional heights up to 14 meters, and having a rather irregular trunk. The botanical name of cashew is Anacardium occidentale. Most cashew trees start bearing fruit in the 3rd or 4th year, and are likely to reach their mature yield by the 7th to 10th year. Hanging from the branches are large, juicy apples, at the bottom of which are attached the cashew nut. On maturity, apple turn from green to yellow, pink, or red, and the nut will become a dull gray. To harvest, simply twist the cashew nut firmly, and it will detach from the cashew apple. Cashew apple is sweet and highly perishable. In Goa, India, the apples are still trampled by foot to extract the juice for the locally famous distilled liquor, fini. In Brazil, great heaps are displayed by fruit vendors, and the juice is used as a fresh beverage and for wine. Cashew is harvested during the period from February to May. Once the fruit is matured, it dropped to the ground from where it is picked. The harvesting activity is labor-intensive and done manually. The harvested raw cashew nut has moisture content of 25%, which is dried up to 8% for storage. The true fruit of the tree is the cashew nut, resembling a miniature boxing glove, consisting of a double shell containing a caustic phenolic resin in honeycomb-like cells, enclosing the edible kidney-shaped kernel. The cashew is native to and northeast Brazil, and, in the 16th century, Portuguese traders introduced it to Mozambique and coastal India, but only as a soil retainer to stop erosion on the coasts. It flourished and ran wild and formed extensive forests in these locations and on nearby islands, and eventually it also became dispersed in East Africa and throughout the tropical lowlands of northern South America, Central America and the West Indies. Because of the toxic shell oil, Latin Americans and West Indians over the years have been most enthusiastic about the succulent cashew apple, and have generally thrown the nut away or processed it crudely on a limited scale. Local native tribe, the Tupi Indians, showed the Europeans otherwise. Natives had learned to eat cashews from the local capuchin monkeys, who use primitive weapons to break the shell to extract the nut. Thanks for watching, but stay tuned for my more videos and do subscribe and like. Stay safe and healthy.